This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading account and you are new to the stock market, Moomoo does have a pretty good promotion going on right now. So if you go to the link in the comments and description section of this video, sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. They do have this promotion going on where you can receive up to 15 free stocks plus 1 extra share of Tesla or Google. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to that link, check it out, head over to Moomoo and sign up and, get some free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker CGC or Canopy Growth Corporation. So massive rip here on the day when pre-market opened. It had a big sell-off and dipped down to about 62 cents. Buyer stepped in there. It had a hard rip when the market opened. It had another pretty good move down here back to 66 cents, but then it ripped to a fresh high, a little bit of a pullback, ripped to another fresh high here, hitting 78.5 cents before having a little pullback right before the market closed. You can see that it has ticked down just a little bit here in after hours trading. And one of the latest news stories here for CGC was related to another sale of one of their properties. So it says Canopy Growth finalizes $39 million Hershey Drive facility sale. So CGC announced this previously announced agreement with Hershey Canada for cash consideration of approximately 53 million Canadian, which is 39 million US. As part of its transformation to a simplified asset-light operating model, Canopy Growth sold a total of 7 properties for aggregate gross proceeds of approximately 155 million. Since April 1st, 2023, and that is Canadian. It is anticipated that net proceeds received from the sale of the facility will be used to primarily pay down the company's senior secured credit facility. The closing of the Hershey Drive facility sale further demonstrates our focus and resolve to complete our transformation to a simplified asset-light operating model while continuing to improve our liquidity position and enhance our balance sheet, stated David Klein, the CEO. Our ability to be nimble and brand-focused has ensured that Canopy Growth is well-positioned to succeed in the North American cannabis market. And I will say here, that they made a huge improvement. If we go to the 3-year weekly time frame, I think I talked about this in my last update, but they did make a massive improvement here on EPS. If you go to the same quarter last year, they lost $4.06 per share. So that is a huge loss. And that was released in August of last year. And then if we come here into August of this year, they were expected by analysts to lose 9 cents a share, and they came in with a beat and only lost 5 cents a share. So that was a really massive improvement on earnings there. So even though overall they are still bleeding money, most of these earnings quarters here are in the negative on the chart. Looks like we have one positive right here where they had a big beat. But overall, over the long term, they are still losing money, but they have improved their earnings significantly. So it'll be interesting to see as these future quarters come out, are we going to continue to see massive improvements in EPS like we had in the last quarter? I mean, if they can continue that kind of a trend, maybe they can swing to profitability soon. This is not a stock that I buy just because I don't buy penny stocks. It's just not my thing. But, I am going to be honest about what I see here as far as the earnings go, and that is a huge improvement there. So we'll kind of see. It'll be interesting. It shows that they have earnings on November 9th here before market here in Thinkorswim. So it'll be really interesting to see what their next earnings quarter looks like. Because if we swing back here, you can see it was a loss of 35 cents a share. So if they can make a huge improvement, and a big beat year over year, maybe they can swing this into the positive. But we'll kind of see if they can continue, improving their earnings reports. And it has made this huge move here as we look at the weekly. Let me zoom into the tail end. So this thing was down here around the 38 cent mark. Looks like they got a low of 0.346. So yeah, about a 34 cent low here. So this was an insane move when it went up to almost 2. I definitely didn't expect it to hold. It was just way too big of a move. It has drawn down significantly here, so we'll kind of see how the price action trades, heading into this next earnings quarter. But I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker CGC or Canopy Growth Corporation. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.